Yeah, hi there, Peter. This is Michael, and thank you for your question over at my website. And I am the founder, owner, and the materials writer for Stealth, your 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT. So you say, I need help finding the main idea in the reading section. Do you have tips and tricks to help me, please? I don't know about a trick, but I have what's called logic. I mean, here's what you want to do. The TOEFL IBT will typically have a 800 word reading passage. There probably will be about 5 or 6 paragraphs in there, maybe more. Now the main thing is, step number 1 is to identify the thesis. The thesis typically is in the first or the second paragraph, sometimes near the end of those paragraphs. Now here's a trick. Now, once you've identified what you think the thesis is, now remember the thesis tells you the main idea that gives you the purpose of the reading passage. Now, the trick is once you've identified the thesis, you want to go to the first line of each of the remaining paragraphs and look at those topic sentences to make sure you think you have identified the main point. That's really the trick right there. So step 1 is to identify the thesis, what you think is the main idea, and then scan through those remaining paragraphs, particularly looking at the first line of those paragraphs to see if in fact that is the thesis. Now once you've found the thesis and you understand what the main idea is, at that point you want to go back to the question and look at your answer choices A, B, C, D, and remember that one of the answers is a main distractor, which means it's almost correct, but maybe it's a little bit too broad. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you read a reading passage that was talking about apples, bananas, oranges, and lemons, and each of those topics in those body paragraphs, obviously the thesis is fruit. However, one of the answers will say food, and another answer choice will say fruit. And obviously the choice food is a little bit too big, I think, for the idea in the reading passage. Now, also when you're looking at your answer choices, you know, one answer maybe is a little bit too big, the main distractor, it's almost correct, and then you have the correct answer, you know, which is whatever the main idea is, and then you have 2 other possibilities. Sometimes one of those answers, it might state a specific point in 1 or 2 of the paragraphs, but it won't be the point of all the paragraphs. So one of the answers in a main idea question is usually too specific. It's too specific to be the main idea. Remember, another answer choice maybe is a little bit too broad, and then maybe one of the answers is simply false, incorrect. So what you're trying to do is to find the correct answer which best expresses the key idea of the reading passage. So that would be my tip for you, my friend. And the one thing you want to remember too is good writers, and the ones that you see on the TOEFL represent this. In academic writing, we like to repeat or rephrase key terms from the thesis. That's a strategy of organizing the reading passage. And that's why I told you to look at the thesis first and then look at those topic sentences in those body paragraphs. All right, Peter, anyway, thank you very much for your question. I hope in this video I've given you some good ideas to help you when you're taking the TOEFL IBT. Hopefully you will be able to find the main idea in those reading passages.